Welcome to our video on how to merge duplicate vendor profiles in Docyt. Identify vendors that can be merged within the Tasks section. To access My Vendors, simply click on the blue link located to the right of the business name in the Vendors. Review Merge Options section. If you don't see the Vendors Review Merge Options section, it means that there are no potential duplicate vendors. You can also go to the My Vendors page by clicking on the Expense Management and Vendors menu. To filter the vendors and only show those with merge potential, simply check the checkbox labeled Show Only Vendors with Merge option available at the top right. Click on the option labeled Possible Duplicate Vendor located under the name of the vendor. A pop-up window will appear where you can double-check that the vendor information is accurate. Choose the option Merge with this vendor. Checkmark the checkbox. By selecting this checkbox, you are confirming you have reviewed this vendor's information and that it will be changed to your My Vendors list. Click on the Next button to proceed. Click the checkbox I confirm that I have validated this vendor's information and I would like to add them to my vendors list. Click on the Merge button. The vendors have successfully been merged into a single vendor. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.